Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find the next high probability trade. There's a brief disclaimer. It's a software demonstration basically. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. Here's my contact details. I do tweet quite a lot artificial intelligence charts on Twitter and stock twits. Today we're going to review the SP 500 index stocks. We're going to try and find the next high probability trades in the index using artificial intelligence. And we use 4 major artificial intelligence trading strategies. And we use the MetaStock Fulgent AI that runs on the MetaStock platform. First one we look for is major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now these trading strategies cater for different type traders. Major market reversal if you're more trend trading, classic swing trades for high frequency trading, volatility breakouts for high volatility type trading, and quick 3-day moves for the swing trader, options trader, or CFD trader. Now for those of you that are new to artificial intelligence trading, the tip of the iceberg, or the high level description how this all works, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. It's just way too much information to go in today's presentation on how the AI works. But basically, if we look at all the technical indicators on the MetaStock platform, for example, the AI goes and uses those and makes a combination of 10 to the power of 200 different combinations of these market indicators to find high probability relationships. So the technology that we use is neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic, among other things. And particularly with with genetic algorithms, what we look for is, let's say you have 1 or 2 technical analysis strategies. One of my favorites, MACDs, is stochastics and momentum. So let's have these 3, and they are quite fairly successful as the trading strategy on its own. But with AI, I can now go and search the entire database of technical indicators, and it can come up with different type market relationships which you normally would not have discovered, because you would spend so much time doing all the back testing and testing and changing variables. So the AI goes into the system and changes every single technical indicator with every single possible setting, and then tests that to the entire universe. Then it changes the setting again, test the entire universe. Then it'll see how this indicator relates to the other one with different settings, and on it goes. So it constantly tests these different type strategies at different settings to see which ones will provide you with the best high probability trade. So basically the end result is you would then discover, or the AI would then discover, high probability trades using different type technical indicators at specific settings that the AI has discovered that these are generally recurring situations in the market or a stock, and these are generally high probability trades. So whereas we would have had 2 or 3 technical indicators we used, now the AI has discovered a whole bunch of new ones that generate high probability trades. And that brings us back to these 4 AI strategies that we'll be looking at today. Now the codes here at the end, is important to remember these, because these are the identification number of the AI in the screen. So major market reversals is a fantastic strategy. Look for extreme oversold conditions. Classic swing trades is the reversion of the mean type strategy. Volatility breakouts is we're looking for unusually high volatility in the direction of the breakout. So it's another fantastic AI trading strategy. 3-day moves, classic swing trade situation where you're in a trade and you're out after 3 days. And for this, we are going to jump straight into the AI platform, looking for which stocks are the next big high probability winners in the SP 500 index constituents. So I've got the MetaStock platform open. I've got the Fulgent AI selected, and you can see here in the MetaStock platform there's quite a lot of technical indicators. You can imagine how the AI changes the setting of each one of these and then tests it against the entire database, then changes the setting again, and on it goes. And that's how genetic algorithms, process of elimination, find high probability trades. You can just see all these different type indicators that we use, but the Fulgent AI now uses all of them and a few more and then test all the different combinations. So I've got the Fulgent AI selected. Let me just make sure I've got that selected. Yeah, there we go. And then I've also got the S&P 500 constituents selected. I've been running the screen in the background, so you can see it's been taking 8 minutes so far, and we're halfway done. So I will going to pause the webinar now, and I'll be back as soon as the AI has done the entire analysis of the S&P 500 index constituents. And we're back. It took about 17 minutes for the artificial intelligence to scan the entire S&P 500 index constituents. Yeah, we've got a list. Let's quickly interpret the results. Make the screen bigger, yeah. So we've got a couple of columns here, in long, in short. These, if there's a 1 in this column, it means these are the columns where the AI is in a long, and if there's a 1 in this column, that means this is where the AI is recommending a short. Bars, this tells you how old the trade is, 4 days into a trade, 15 bars into a trade, 25 bars, 14, etc. Accuracy, that gives you the percentage accuracy of the AI that discovered a strategy in the testing period. So 43 times this strategy hit 43 times in the testing period, and that was the probability, the accuracy, 81% accuracy. So this code here is number 105, which is a volatility breakout. They don't occur as much as the previous ones, but still 43 times hits in the testing period, 81% accuracy. Average profit per trade is more than 9%, so it's quite a good one. So the code there is 105. We'll look at them in a minute. And if we sort these columns from inner long, inner short, we can see, four bars into a trade. These are all new. So these are hot, fresh trades. Cadence Design, Catalent, Cerner, Dunhauer, DXC Technology, Etsy, F5 Networks, and on goes the list. So we've got quite a few fresh new trades, most of which are a volatility breakout. That's 105, the code for the AI, and then 106 is a quick move. So these are more kind of a short-term swing trade, but volatility breakout is quite a nice one to trade. We have 234 rejects, which means there isn't really a recent signal or an open signal in the AI. And we've got 271 where the AI is, where there's a signal fired, and we can see mostly longs. There's not many shorts around. Alright, so we're going to go through the first few here, just to illustrate how to go through the list. Cadence Design. Now I need to minimize this. So I've got Cadence Design on here. We can see we had very some fantastic signals on here. Quite a lot actually. Volatility breakout, nice trade there. Volatility breakout, nice trade there. Volatility breakout, huge move there. So quite a lot of volatility breakouts as we go along. Last few months you would have traded this quite aggressively. A lot of volatility breakouts. Catalent, let's check that one out. So it takes a while to load. The AI needs to go and get the data. So there we go. Oh, fantastic volatility breakout. So we can see this all started back here in March. Huge volatility breakout, got you out of the trade there. Here we can see it move the stop loss up. Stop loss there. Volatility breakout. Trailing stop loss moves up with it. In some cases the AI will give you a sell signal, and then another volatility breakout. Sell signals or buy signals are somewhat early, so sometimes you have a day or two to get into a trade, but in most cases you really have to be quite aggressive and take action in your trading. Cerner Corp, it takes a second or two to load. Volatility breakout, another one. Fantastic. This one occurs quite a lot actually. Volatility breakouts, huge moves, capture some fantastic moves in Cerner. Dunhauer. Let's see how this one goes through. THR is the ticker there. So you can see once again, back in March, huge moves, captured most of that move up until about 2:30. So huge returns. Now it's sideways consolidating. Volatility breakout there. So far so good. DXC Technologies. Wow, hot off the press here. A lot of signals here. As well as you can see historically, volatility breakout gave you a lot of high frequency trades to trade. Etsy. Fantastic. Volatility breakout, huge move. Volatility breakout, huge move. Hit the stop loss, another volatility breakout, up we go. And now we've got another volatility breakout. It'll be interesting to see if there's a follow through on that move today. F5 Networks, the other one to look at. Oh, fantastic. Back in November, huge move, captured a lot, most of that move. Volatility breakout, quick move, volatility breakout. There we go. It will be interesting to see if we get a follow through on that, but so far so good. International paper. There we go. Got you out of there with a sell, another quick move. So quite a lot of fantastic trades generated by the AI. So we can see we have quite a lot of nice fantastic trades. Quick move there. Intuitive Surgical. Fantastic volatility breakout, huge moves. Back here in March. Oh, wonderful. Look at all these nice trades the AI has generated. Invesco Limited. Quick move. Nice rally. Capture some nice rallies with the quick move one. So if you get a quick move trade, you don't always have to sell out when the AI alerts you that the trend might be ending. You just move your stop loss up and trailing stop loss up higher. And in some cases, you'll stay in a trade much longer than the normal. Lowe's Corp. There we go. Also volatility breakout back in October, huge move, got you out there, quick move, volatility breakout, so another fantastic one. And Mosaic Company. So you can see quick move, yeah, big. So we'll see how this acts today. Might get a quick move to the upside in Mosaic. So these are the ones that the AI's now just fired yesterday, basically. So these are fresh signals. So it's worth analyzing those and keep them on your watch list and trade. If we look at some of the trades that the AI has been in a while, Motorola, see how that one goes. You can see this one's been in a very long trade, September, a long time. See unfamiliar names. Alphabet, Google's been in 76 days in a trade. That's also been a good one. It took a while for Google to get going, but you can see volatility breakout, nice, fantastic move, captured all of that. That's a fantastic move so far. Let's just see if there's any other interesting ones. Salesforce.com is another one that's also interesting. Also a name that's very popular. Volatility breakouts. We captured quite a lot of move in that one. You can see here back in April, March, a lot of trades got you in, got you out after the big gap up, and now it's moving sideways. So that's been doing pretty well from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. So these are the names to keep to have a look at in terms of the latest and newest trades on the artificial intelligence list, the top 10 or so. Look for these. Most of them are volatility breakout trades. So these are absolutely fantastic ones to go for. So if anybody's interested in getting your hands on an AI, you can get using on the MetaStock platform. Give me a second, I'll pull through the link. Basically go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1, and there you can get 3 months for the price of one. Fantastic deal on the MetaStock platform and the AI. And if you already have MetaStock, you can add the Fulton AI engine on top of that, going to metastock.com/alphaharvestf. Be sure to remember alphaharvestf as the promo code in both cases to get your discounted deal. Right, until next time, happy AI trading.